How's it going? Oh, you're doing great. So the other week I was talking to my friend at church. He had recently come back from a trip to the Philippines and he was there for 1 whole month. And he was like traveling around Asia. I think he went to Hong Kong too. So I was super eager and excited to talk to him and see how his adventure went. Now, as the excitement gradually started reducing during the conversation, which is completely normal, I found myself doing something that really impacted my social battery. It left me drained in such a short amount of time compared to any other long conversation that I had. And that thing that I found myself doing was forcing a smile. Now, I don't know if you can relate to this. You're in a conversation and you're just forcing a smile or doing like a very nervous smile. Well, that's exactly what happened in that conversation. Now, the reason why I share that story with you is to show the impact of forcing a smile, how much that can drain you, and how much that disingenuousness can impact your social battery and drain you so fast and so quickly, rather than riding the wave of how you're actually feeling. So instead of forcing a smile, actually let your face match your mood and your emotions. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, if you're happy or excited, let your face match that. Like, if you're happy and excited that your friend came back from the Philippines, then show it on your face. If you're listening to someone and you're really focusing in on what they're saying, let the smile drop and actually show, like with like one of these, like let your eyes narrow and like you can let your face reflect that emotion. It is a wonderful way to practice being genuine, and people will love you and respect you for that. People don't want a forced smile from you. People want your presence and your genuineness. They want you. Obviously, I'm not saying if you're mad, then let that out. But if you're genuinely happy to be connecting and talking with someone, don't be afraid to let that joy and happiness seep out of you into your facial expressions, into your body language, into your gestures. Why keep those emotions in? You know, we only have one life. Why live it emotionless? And notice that the next time that you come into a conversation and you're nervously smiling or you're forcing a smile, and instead just match the emotion, your facial expression, to the emotion that you're feeling. And watch people appreciate you just a little bit more. People don't want a forced smile from you. They want your presence.